My neighbor's playing some really, really loud music and I want to punch a hole through this wall and turn it off. Whoa there. Whoa there. Hey. What's going on? We are so close to the end of 2018 and I was dying to do this look, so it's a little late, but here we are. So I put together this super dramatic hair and makeup for New Year's. I hope you guys like it. I was dying to use the shadow. Where is this shadow I'm talking about? I was dying to use this gorgeous Stila shadow. It's the Shimmer and Glow Vivid Sapphire. I love these, you guys. I have so many of them that it's a problem, but this one just caught my eye. It's so beautiful. I wanted to do something super smoky, super blown out with a little bit of glitter thrown in there. You can see the glitter fam. Leave your New Year's resolutions below in the comments. I want to hear what they are. Let's motivate each other to get these things done, reach our goals in 2019. Some of my goals are to get my body back to a much healthier place and also be ahead of the game with content. I want to be a month ahead. Right now we're just a teensy bit behind, so to get myself a month ahead is going to take some time, but I am sure that I am going to reach both of those goals of mine, hopefully within the first half of the year. We got this. So comment your New Year's resolutions below, share them with me, and if you would like to get this hair tutorial and makeup, please keep on watching. Hello you guys, welcome back. Hi, how you doing? Can we just take a second? You guys, this is the glitter. This is the Glitter Gang set from Drybar. It's $215, valued at almost $300. You get a glittery blow dryer. Do we see this?
Hello. Hi guys, what's wrong with me? We're starting off with just, you know, the blow dryer, the brush, blow drying the hair. I just blow dry my hair straight. I really am horrible with using a round brush. Yeah, but I'm using it anyway because it came in the kit and I wanted to show you guys how to use it. I just, like, for some reason just can't use a round brush, but I tried my best and I actually really love the way my hair came out. It was super soft, so I was very happy about that. I'm gonna jump into this little Anastasia palette that I have here. I believe this blue that I'm using, it's a shimmery blue. I think it's called Cobalt, but that's going to be in the description down below if you want the exact name of this color. I found a couple colors that were kind of similar to it, so if you have a color that's similar to it, that'll probably work really well as well. I just wanted a color to be a really good base for our Stila shadow, which is the star of the show here. I'm using a pencil brush to blend this shadow into the crease and then kind of shape it out into the type of like eye shape look I want. And then I took a more like fluffy pencil-y brush to blend out the edges. I went into the Huda Beauty Sapphire palette. I took the matte dark blue and the kind of more royal blue, and I mixed them together on the same brush and just lightly feathered out the eye with those shades, and it just really helped the transition so much better. I don't know what happened, but the shade just kind of like got all muddled a little bit once you blend it out. Sometimes that happens with like glittery or shimmery shadows. It kind of like almost like separates, like the glitter separates from the actual shadow itself. But after I did that, I jumped back into the Huda palette. I took the lighter shimmery royal blue color, I put that in the inner corner, and then we're using this gorgeous liquid shadow from Stila. I put it on just mainly on my eyelid, and then I slowly built it up above. I was really light-handed with it, and I went into the pencil brush and the more fluffier pencil brush just to blend it out on my eye so that it didn't look like it was just on the lid and then it kind of transitioned into every other part of the shadow as well. Then I took this really pretty MAC glitter. It's a blue reflex glitter. I just tapped that right on the inner corner right before the Stila shadow died. Right before the Stila shadow dried. And then I'm taking this Stilazzi dark blue liner, and I'm just applying that to my eyes. So once I've done that, I'm going to pop on my mascara, which is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. We put a good amount of this on. A good amount. And once we put on our mascara, I'm using this Beauty For Real blue eyeliner. I literally could not find a blue eyeliner. And then I saw this one. And I got so happy, but I was so confused as to like why I didn't have more blue, royal blue eyeliners. I guess I might have to go get some now. I don't know. I'm using this like what MAC calls a foundation, like a hyper real foundation. I put that all over my face to like illuminate it. I also put on lashes, as you saw, and did like the underneath my eyes. I did that before foundation just because I feel like it would have gotten really, really messy if I did it after. And then I applied the Cover FX blurring primer to blur out the pores. This foundation is the newer NARS foundation, and then I use the Cover FX newer concealer to conceal my whole face. It looks so orangey green and yellowy and like horrible on camera, and I promise you, like, it gets better. It like really does not look that bad. I used the Milk Makeup setting powder to set everything. I was really careful like around the eyes because I didn't want to, you know, make my whole face blue, so just keep that in mind. And then I went back in with the blending brush to just kind of feather it out a little bit more. For bronzer, I used the Bahama Mama bronzer from The Balm. And I really just went ham on the bronzer. I feel like a good smoky eye needs a good bronzing. I used a little bit of this Essence blush. I actually really love this blush. There's nothing wrong with that, but I love this blush. And then I'm using the Urban Decay Rebound setting spray all over my face. And then I'm going to apply my Anastasia and Amrezy highlighter to all of the highlights areas of my face. And then there was this MAC powder that I used. It made everything look a little more silvery, and I didn't hate it. I wasn't like obsessed with it, but I just kind of like went with it. I applied highlighter to the inner corners and the brow bone, and then we're moving on to lips. Yes, my eyeliner is broken in half. Yes, I'm very upset about it. Just let it be. Let it be, okay? Let it be. I'm going to fill in my lips with this Urban Decay lip pencil that I have no idea what color it is because the bottom broke off, but it's not Night Moth, and I want to say it's like Naked or something like that. I applied a ColourPop satin lipstick, and then I applied an Anastasia lip gloss in the center, and then I applied this MAC plumping gloss. We really layered on the gloss for this lip look. I just like had a certain idea in mind, and it came out perfect. I loved it. I then put the Anastasia like a little glittery lip gloss from Anastasia on top. So now for the hair, you guys, we blow dried our hair in the very beginning. I'm going to just tease basically my whole head, essentially. I used both of the sprays that came in the kit from Dry Bar. One was a dry shampoo that I didn't realize was gonna turn my hair so white. But I don't think anyone ever does realize that until you spray a dry shampoo and then you remember, you're like, oh crap. But I sprayed both the texturizing spray and the dry shampoo to help me really get some good volume here. What I originally would have done is I would have sprayed the texture spray before I started teasing. Well, hello there, train. Thank you for interrupting. I would have sprayed the texturizing spray first, and then I would have done like the dry shampoo and the hairspray during like each tease. But I went with it, and it still came out the way that I wanted, so it's totally fine. I'm just taking this teasing comb and brushing my hair back. I sprayed a ton of hairspray to just hold my hair back. I didn't like gel it down or anything like that. It kind of just, you know, eventually stayed where I wanted it to, which is good because that's what I wanted it to do. So once I'm done with that part of the hair, I went on to the glitter. I sprayed the glitter spray all over just like literally all over my hair. And and it came out so good. If you guys want to go the extra mile, you can do my Glitter Queen little concoction where I mix gel in a bowl with a bunch of different glitter, and I feel like putting that on like the sides would be so sick for one of these looks. And that's it, guys.
Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for tuning in, and thank you so much for not just tuning into this video, but all of my videos from 2018. This is not the last video of 2018 just yet, but I just wanted to personally thank you guys so much for all of your support and all of your love throughout 2018. Cannot wait for 2019 and all of the crazy fun looks that we're going to create together. I love you guys to the moon and back. Have a safe, healthy, and amazing and happy new year. As always, make sure to check out all of my other videos right here on the side, and make sure to subscribe to me for more amazing content. I love you guys, and I'll see you soon. Bye!